Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have some hot, fresh, new clearance that if you are driving by a Family Dollar store, definitely worth going looking through the clearance or the regular aisle for some of these items because we have digital coupons making it really cheap, or it's just 50% off and it's also a super deal. So the store again is Family Dollar. So if you want to throw this in your rotation today, this is all new stuff that started getting marked down yesterday, which was Tuesday, April the 7th. The first is the 47-cent Palmolive. Now, this is weird, guys. Sometimes when you load the digital coupons on clearance items, that red price point is the final price. Other times it shows up differently. So the cheapest way to make sure that you're grabbing something that's going to be the price that you want is to go ask for a price check at the front and to make sure that when the coupon comes off, it's the price that you want. Because there was a lot of Febreze that was supposed to be free on social media, other people were showing. However, it was the item after the coupon in the app, which is super uber confusing. Often with clearance at the Family Dollar, it's not always the same. Like what's happening here in Michigan might be completely different than Wisconsin, or it might be the same. Anyhow, this it is a 32.5 ounce for 47 cents after that $1.50 digital coupon. It's a really great price point, and this is my favorite dish soap, the green one, the Ultra Strength. I've been using it for many, many years. Prefer it over than Dawn. So when I can get a really large bottle for 47 cents, that has my full attention, and I did this on 3 different store cards this morning. There's a lot of paper too that's on clearance. So if you just want to look through the app before even driving out to the store, like what's in stock at your store, that's probably the easiest way to figure out, like, hey, is it worth the drive out there? I know gas is super expensive right now, but all of these Bounty Essentials are 50% off at $2.97. So we have the 4 equals 8 for $2.97. I think the original price is close to $6. I believe this will probably all get cleared before Saturday when you can use the 5 off 25. So I would go and do this, especially if you're in need of paper towel or toilet paper and you have a Family Dollar near you. Also, I prefer, Scott or the Walgreens brand. So this stuff I just left at the store. The cleaner was more of an interest for me. Because with the deals that we do at Walgreens, you can get this a smidge cheaper. This one called the CHARMIN Essential Strong 6-pack is $2.97. Original price point is $6. So you're getting it at 50% off. Again, we don't have any digital coupons, but if you think that's the right price for your stockpile, by all means. And there's 2 versions of this, the red one and the blue one. The blue one is still full price, but the red one is 50% off. Also look for the Scott RV toilet paper. That's also 50% off. And I think there's another Scott paper towel, but those were cleared out at my store. The app is your best friend, and don't be shy to ask for a price check at the front of the store. Absolutely delighted that I found these Clorox Scentiva. They were on clearance for $1.97. We have a $1 digital coupon making it 97 cents. Ashley couponing deals over on Instagram showed this on Tuesday, so that's where I got the idea for this. And again, I did this on multiple cards, so I was able to get a couple bottles of these. I know there's a coconut one and then a pink one as well. I don't know what the scent is. It must be like lavender or something. I would ask for a price check on both, and if the digital coupon's attaching, you're in business for some cheap Scentiva. And this is one item we don't get a ton of deals on, so by all means, guys, look for this probably in the clearance section. This is a weird one too. It should say 97 cents in the app, but as you see, it says $1.97, so that's why it makes it somewhat confusing. And this is the dollar digital that you're going to load. So whatever Clorox that you might be seeing in the clearance section, and if it's a decent price like $1.97 or cheaper, definitely scan, ask at the front of the store. Because you don't want that price point. Like I think $1.97 after digital coupon is just a bit too much in my book. We have this Tide 44 load, which is a weird amount. I think it is an older bottle because they haven't done 44 in a couple years. It's $6.97. We have a $2 coupon, a $2 digital, making it $4.97. So just roughly like $5. This is definitely a harder one to find in store. It's called the Ultra Oxy White. I think a lot of the like make your clothes extra white ones, they have cleared them out at various stores. I've seen them at Meijer, and I think I saw it as well at Walmart as well recently. But this is the $2 digital. So I'm excited to see what Family Dollar does next. And what coupons we get. This one I did give you guys the UPC. I did not buy it for $5 because we get better deals again at Meijer or Walgreens, so that was just an executive decision. But whatever is in your budget and good for your household, by all means. But I thought $5 was a bit too much for this girl. But really happy to find the Clorox Scentiva and the Palmolive for 47 cents. Wow. Go out and make these deals happen. If you have a Family Dollar, definitely check the app first before going to the store. And don't be shy to ask for a price check. So in case something's ringing up for one price and it's something different, you're not given a huge surprise at checkout. Bye, guys.